Some may say I'm dumb and stupid because I spent over $1,000 on a new camera setup and I'm not even consistent with posting. But hey, we did it anyways. I want to be consistent with posting, but every video that I film, I want it to be perfect. And if it's not perfect, I would just let it sit on my camera roll. And then I thought about it and I was like, Chayla, why do I not like these videos? It came to me, I don't like the way that I look. Definitely not me, because I'm perfect. But my camera setup isn't perfect. So we had to fix that. So we upgraded, like over $1,000 worth of upgrades. So let's go get it. I told myself this year that I really wanted to be your next favorite content creator, so some things had to change. And that something, I mean my camera setup. I'm currently filming on my Canon M50 and I'm not gonna lie, I like this camera, but I just want to take my content to the next level and I don't think this camera is gonna be able to do that for me, especially since this camera is not selling anymore. And I did not feel like investing more money on a product that is not on the market. Which is why I've been on the hunt to find the next best vlogging camera. When looking for a new camera, I really wanted it to be handheld. I did not want something big. I'm not looking for a big fancy production. That is not my thing. So I wanted it to be something that I could easily vlog with. I didn't want it to be $2,000. Some cameras are priced that much and I was not in the mood to be paying that much money. I also wanted something where I could change out the lenses because I really wanted that quality that I see everyone else get. I wanted that for myself. I've been talking with my tech consultant, ChatGPT, and we've narrowed it down to two different cameras, a Sony and a Canon. I could stick with Canon. It would be in my comfort zone. I think it's the Canon R50, or I could go Sony, which will be very different because I've never used a Sony product. I'm putting myself out there and I'm going to do it. So let's go get ourselves a camera. And I think we're starting by going to Best Buy because I might be getting a new camera. So let's go do that first. Do I need a new camera? Probably not, but I think I'm gonna get one anyways. I've been trying to do this for the past 3 years and I haven't done it yet, so I think this might be the time. We got the goods. Not only did I buy a new camera, but I also got a new camera lens, which is definitely different for me because I've never used a different lens other than the kit lens. This is the, what is this? EOS 11mm. I'm not a tech girly, so I don't really know what that means other than I was looking for a wide lens and chat showed me this was the one. The Sony ZV-E10. I could get the Mark II, but I didn't. I just finished charging it just a little bit because the girl was dead. I did a few settings on it and let's just say I'm a little defeated because Sony is a lot harder than Canon. So I'm going to switch over to this camera in a few minutes and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the kit lens. 3, 2, and 1. And here it is with the new camera. There's a lot more buttons than the Canon, so I have no idea what's going on. The first time I filmed this clip, it was in slow motion. But right off the bat, I do like the color of this camera. Like, I feel like my color grade looks really good. And then this is me like holding it at arm's length. So I feel like you still get like a good amount, not much different from the Canon kit lens. But now I think I'm gonna try to switch it to my wider lens. Don't know how I'm gonna set this up. I think I'm gonna have to YouTube it. It was a pretty penny, so hopefully it looks good. This is the lens. I don't know what this is either. I'm gonna YouTube this and I will come back and I will have a wider lens hopefully. And this is what the camera looks like with a wider lens. I've never had a wide lens before, but let's just say you can see a lot more than I've ever seen in my videos. So I'm definitely not mad about that. I'm also not mad about how the color looks. I will have to like play around with it because I have no idea what any of these buttons or any of these modes mean. It also took me a very long time to figure out how to use this lens. I do have a big light on, so let's see what it looks like without the light. Okay. So this is what it looks like just with my vanity lights. And then if I turn my vanity lights off as well, that's not good. I want to see what it look like in like different rooms. So let's just like walk around my house. If you guys have any tips and tricks on like what to do with this camera, how to make it look cool, any settings, anything like that, let me know because your girl has no idea what to do with the Sony. Should I vlog tomorrow with this camera? I might do a day in a life. Let's try it. My first impression after having the camera for the last few days, I'm not mad about it. I think I really do like it. So far I haven't filmed like an actual sit down video yet. This video doesn't really count as a sit down. I will do that and I will test out the settings more. Right now I just like looked at a video and copied that person's settings. So I will say it's like beginner friendly. It might be like beginner intermediate. The look and the quality, I am really excited and I'm super happy. I feel like this is like very motivating and inspiring me to start filming content. I'm actually filming a video tomorrow and I have another one filmed for next week. Subscribe to my channel. A lot of videos are coming. Follow me on all my social medias and yeah, I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys.